Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab M10 Plus, and today I'll show you how to insert an SD card into this device. This device only takes SD cards, though some versions may also take SIM cards. To get started, use the SIM ejector tool that came with the device to pop out the tray at the top. Push it in and the tray will pop out slightly, then use your fingernails to pry it out. It may be wedged in, so carefully pull it out without breaking it. Once removed, you'll see space for an SD card, and if your device supports SIM, it will be where the QR code is. Place your SD card on the tray and insert it back into the tablet. SD card should start working right away and be detected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.